Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
It's good.
Okay, you ready to learn about verb tense?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, how many in English, how many verb tenses do we have? How many? I talked about this last week, but none of you were here. You have different students. In English, how many verb tenses?
12.
Huh? What?
12.
12, yes. 12 of them. And last week I talked about all 12 of them briefly, so we're not going to bring them up. Today I want to talk about simple past versus present perfect to give you a better understanding of how to use these. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. I ate breakfast, I have eaten breakfast. Which one is correct?
The first one.
First one? Yeah? So this one's bad?
Yeah.
No, they're both fine.
Oh.
They're both okay. We use present perfect when we want to let someone know that something happened recently, right? So both of these are okay. But what if I added this? I ate breakfast this morning, or I have eaten breakfast this morning. Which of those is correct? First one?
Yeah.
Why?
It's past.
Huh?
It's already past.
Yeah, the time frame has passed, right? This morning is over. What if I said I ate lunch this afternoon? Is that okay?
Okay.
Huh? I ate lunch this afternoon. Is that okay?
No.
No? Why?
Lunch. Afternoon.
Why is that not okay to say I ate lunch this afternoon?
Now it's afternoon.
Yeah, if the time is still going on, use present perfect, right? So let's say it was morning. Would we say I ate breakfast this morning?
Yeah.
No, if it's still morning, we say I have eaten breakfast this morning. Or you could just leave off this morning and say I ate breakfast. That's okay, right? But the time frame, if the time frame is still happening, then we're going to use present perfect, right? So could we say I ate breakfast today? Some people do, but you shouldn't. You say, I've eaten breakfast today. Today is still happening, right? It's still today. Yeah? I have eaten breakfast yesterday. Is that okay?
Yeah.
No, yesterday's over. You say, I ate breakfast yesterday. I have eaten breakfast today. If you put the time in, and the time is still happening, then we're going to use present perfect, right? If the time is over, we use past. So both of these could be okay. Right now, I could say, I ate breakfast, or I have eaten breakfast. But if we add this morning, and this morning is over because it's now afternoon, then we'll use past, right?
Right.
But I can still say, I have eaten breakfast today. Today is not over, right? So sometimes if we don't put the time in there, both of them can be okay, right? If you come to my apartment at 9 a.m., right? I could say I ate breakfast or I have eaten breakfast. Both are okay, right? Yeah? I'm talking about something that happened recently, but it also is in the past. Okay. Okay, before we talk about these, who is William Shakespeare?
Shakespeare. A writer.
Who is it? A writer. What do you know about him? What did he write? What did he write?
Many beautiful sentences.
Many beautiful sentences? Tell me something famous that he wrote.
莎士比亚全部。
Yeah, Romeo and Juliet. My favorite is Hamlet, but I think probably worldwide the most popular would be Romeo and Juliet. Okay, who is Stephen King? A lot of Chinese students don't know this. Who is Stephen King? Actor? No. I don't know. He's been in a little bit in movies. He's not really an actor, though. He's better known for what?
An American writer.
Yeah, he's a writer. Probably, I don't know for sure, made more money writing than maybe anyone else ever. Because he's written almost 100 novels. Now he doesn't, like J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter, she might make more money per novel, but he's been writing since the 1970s. He's got lots and lots of novels, and every one has been a bestseller. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing he's made more money writing than anyone else. But the important thing I want you to know is William Shakespeare still alive? Is Shakespeare alive? Huh? No, he died 400 years ago. Is Stephen King still alive?
Yeah.
Yes, right now, today, in May of 2022, Stephen King is still alive. He's getting old, but he's still alive. So, let's look at these sentences. William Shakespeare has written many plays in his lifetime. Is that good?
Yes.
Yeah?
No.
No? It's bad? What about this one? Stephen King wrote many novels in his lifetime. Is that good? No? So, why is this one good or why is this one not good?
Because he died.
Yes, his lifetime is over. So we would say William Shakespeare wrote many novels in his lifetime, right? He died 400 years ago. He's been dead for centuries. Stephen King, what?
Wrote.
Should be wrote? Yeah? No. We just said Stephen King is still alive. So we could say his lifetime is not over. We would say Stephen King has written many novels in his lifetime, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Look at the time it happens. If the time is still going on, use present perfect. If the time is over, use past. Yeah? Yeah? So it should be William Shakespeare wrote many plays in his lifetime. Stephen King has written many novels in his lifetime. Yeah? If we don't have the time frame in there, then you can say whatever one you want. If you want someone to know you did something recently, then you could use present perfect. Even if you're done, right? You say, I've studied a lot, right? I have studied a lot, because you want someone to know that something happened recently. But if you put a time in there, right? Could you say, I have studied a lot last year? I have studied a lot last year. Yeah? Yeah? Is that good?
Yeah.
No, last year is over. That you would say, I studied a lot, not I have studied a lot, right? If the time frame is still going on, use present perfect. If the time frame is over, use simple past. Yeah? Yeah? So you could say, I ate breakfast this morning, or I have eaten this breakfast this morning. But if you say, I have eaten breakfast this morning, say it when it's still morning. Right now, afternoon, I would say, I ate breakfast this morning. Yeah? Yeah? Any questions?
No.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.